In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the RSI indicator to a chart on Binance. Whether you're an experienced trader or just starting out, understanding how to effectively use the RSI or relative strength index can provide invaluable insights into market trends and conditions. This quick guide will help you incorporate this powerful tool into your trading analysis. First things first, you'll want to open up the Binance app on your device. Make sure you've downloaded the latest version to ensure you have the most up-to-date features and a smooth user experience. Once the app is open, navigate to the Trade or Futures section, depending on where you wish to apply the RSI indicator. In this step, you'll select the particular chart you're interested in by choosing both the currency pair and the specific time frame that aligns with your trading strategy. This is crucial as the RSI will analyze the data within your chosen time frame. With your chart open, locate and tap on the indicator's icon. This icon is typically found on the chart interface and looks like a small graph or chart line. The icon grants you access to a variety of indicators, each providing unique analytics and insights. For today, our focus is on adding the RSI, which is renowned for helping traders identify the strength and momentum of price movements. After tapping the icon, a search bar should appear. Here, type in RSI or Relative Strength Index. The app will populate a list of options and you should see the RSI indicator listed as one of them. Select it by tapping on it. Once selected, Binance will automatically apply the RSI indicator to your chart. At the bottom of your price chart, you'll notice a new section displaying the RSI line. This line oscillates between values of 0 and 100 and is accompanied by horizontal lines at the 30 and 70 levels. These levels are key. The RSI helps identify when a market might be overbought or oversold, with values above 70 suggesting the former and values below 30 indicating the latter. Understanding this data is essential for making informed decisions. If the RSI touches or exceeds these boundary lines, it might signal a potential reversal in price movement, offering traders crucial points of entry or exit in their trades. While the RSI is a powerful tool, it's always recommended to use it in tandem with other indicators or analysis methods to ensure robust trading decisions. And there you have it, a quick and seamless way to add the RSI indicator to your Binance chart. Exploring this tool will not only enhance your trading acumen, but also provide a more nuanced understanding of market dynamics. Whether you're analyzing trends or pinpointing entry and exit points, the RSI is an essential component in any trader's toolkit. Happy trading!